A girl named Mia walks down the school hallway, the hum of footsteps and lockers opening filling the air. Mia walks calmly. As she glances ahead, her eyes lock on a tense scene unfolding. Lily, standing by her locker, looks cornered. 3 bullies tower over her, their mocking laughter echoing in the hall. Lily clutches her books tightly, shrinking into herself, her eyes downcast. Mia slows, her heart races. She wants to help but hesitates, glancing around. Other students are watching, but no one moves. The hallway feels heavy with silence. Mia takes a breath and steps forward, but instead of speaking, she stands tall beside Lily, her presence quiet yet powerful. She looks around, making eye contact with other students who, one by one, begin to understand. Slowly, they start stepping forward too, joining Mia in silent protest. The crowd grows larger, their solidarity like a quiet wave. The bullies stop, their smug faces shifting to confusion. They exchange glances, realizing their control is slipping away. The hallway feels different now, alive with quiet courage. Lily looks up, her eyes widening as she realizes she's not alone. Mia gives her a soft smile, and together they turn to walk away, surrounded by the group of supportive students. The bullies are left standing awkwardly, powerless in the face of unity. Mia and Lily walked down the hallway. "When we stand together, we are unstoppable. Stop bullying,"